Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about nanotechnology. But before we start, if you're new here, do subscribe for more such videos. Today we will be learning about 5 facts of nanotechnology that you probably never knew about. So let's start. Number 1. Nanotechnology helps in the early detection of diseases. Nanotechnology has brought along with it a revolution in the medical field. One of the major reasons behind the death of people is late detection of diseases. If any disease is detected at a late stage, then the survival rate decreases. But now, with the help of nanotechnology, we have become able to detect the diseases in their initial stages. Nanoparticles can be used as fluorescent cancer markers. These nanoparticles are very small and they can easily enter into the cell. They remain in the body for a longer period of time and they also do not cause any harm to the body. This property makes them perfect for being used as fluorescent cancer markers. Researchers have also found that quantum dots, which are semiconductor nanocrystals, can be utilized to detect the cancer cells. The size of these particles is similar to that of quantum dots. This makes it possible for them to be taken up by the cancer cells and get accumulated in them. Once inside the body, these quantum dots emit light when they absorb the energy. These particles can be modified in such a way that they start emitting light in the infrared region. This makes the detection process easier. No. 2. It helps in drug delivery. Another important application of nanotechnology is in the field of drug delivery. The major problem that the doctors face is that how to deliver the drugs to the affected part. Earlier, the drugs were delivered all around the body and this caused a lot of side effects. But now, with the help of nanotechnology, we have become able to control the drug delivery system. In this method, nanoparticles are used to deliver the drugs to the affected part only. For example, if a patient is suffering from cancer, then the nanoparticles will only deliver the drugs to the cancerous tissues and hence, it reduces the side effects of the drug. Also, it has been proven that nanoparticles increase the solubility of poorly soluble drugs. This increases the efficiency of the drug. Also, it has been seen that nanoparticles can protect the drugs from getting degraded. Hence, the shelf life of the drug increases. Number 3. It helps in water purification. Now, with the help of nanotechnology, we have become able to purify the water. But before we move ahead, let's have a look at the current methods of water purification. The conventional methods of water purification include the use of chlorine or other disinfectants. These disinfectants are not safe for the body. Also, these methods are not able to remove all the impurities from the water. The only way to get pure water is by using reverse osmosis, but it is expensive. Nanotechnology has offered a cheap and efficient method of water purification. In this method, nanofilters are used to remove the impurities from the water. These nanofilters can be made from different materials, like carbon nanotubes, fullerenes, nanotubes, graphene, and many others. These nanofilters can remove even the smallest particles from the water. Also, they can remove the viruses and bacteria from the water. This makes the water safe for drinking. These filters are much cheaper than the reverse osmosis filters. Also, they have a longer life. 4. It helps in solar energy. Though solar energy is renewable, it is not widely used because of 2 major problems. First is that the silicon used in solar cells is not available abundantly. Also, the efficiency of the solar cells is very low. But nanotechnology has solved both these problems. Now we have developed thin film solar cells. These thin film solar cells are very efficient. Also, they do not require a large area to produce the same amount of energy. This has increased the efficiency of solar energy. Also, it has reduced the cost of solar energy production. Not just this, nanotechnology has also helped us in concentrating solar energy. For example, we have developed a technique called as the V-beam technique. In this technique, we use gold nanoparticles to concentrate the solar energy. In this method, gold nanoparticles are sprinkled on the receiver. The gold nanoparticles absorb the sunlight and then they convert it into heat. This heat is then used to generate electricity. No. 5. It helps in communication. You might be thinking that how can nanotechnology help in communication? We have already developed fiber optics and other devices that can transmit the signals at the speed of light. Then, what is the need for nanotechnology in this field? Well, the answer lies in the fact that these signals are transmitted over long distances. Hence, these signals get weaker with time. But we have developed nanocrystals which can store the signals. These nanocrystals can store the signals for a long period of time, and then they can release them. This would mean that the signals can travel over long distances without getting weaker. Also, we have developed nanowires. These nanowires are used for secure communication. The signals are encoded on these nanowires, and then they are transmitted. The encoding is done in such a way that only the receiver can decode the message. This provides a highly secure means of communication. So these were the 5 applications of nanotechnology. But do you know that nanotechnology has numerous applications? Let's have a look at some of them. Nanotechnology is also used in the production of cosmetics. The nanoparticles are used as UV filters in sunscreens. They also prevent the formation of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. They also help in delivering the drugs through the skin. Number 2. Nanotechnology is also used in the field of electronics. For example, we have developed flexible electronic devices. These devices can be rolled or folded. They can be used as smart cards or wearable devices. No. 3. Nanotechnology is also used in the field of energy. For example, we have developed lithium-ion batteries. These batteries have a longer life and they also charge faster. Number 4. Nanotechnology is also used in the field of environment. For example, we have developed sensors that can detect the pollutants in the air. And number 5, nanotechnology is also used in the field of food technology. For example, we have developed nanosensors that can detect the foodborne pathogens. So these were some of the applications of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a vast field and it has numerous applications. It is also a multidisciplinary field. It includes the concepts from physics, chemistry, biology, and material science. If you are interested in this field, then you can make a great career out of it. There are various courses that you can pursue. You can also do a PhD in this field. So, this was all about nanotechnology. I hope you liked this video. If you really did, then do hit the like button and do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you, and have a great day.